Proud every Friday morning about this time to find a home for a dog via the Animal Rescue League of Iowa. It's last chance for great pets, and we have a great one over there, Jason, don't we?
We do, Lou. This is obviously Trista Hall joining us from the ARL. Thanks for coming back.
Yeah.
And you've brought your friend Tulip, who is just a sweetheart of a dog. Tell us about Tulip.
So this is Tulip. We have her down as a 2-year-old American Pit Bull Terrier. She can be high energy when she wants to play and everything, but for the most part, she just really loves people and just wants to cuddle. She's a big fan of treats, as you can tell. I got a little homemade enrichment item that we made at the shelter for her that she just rolls the treats out of. She currently knows sit and come, but like I said, she's super treat motivated, so she could probably learn a bunch more things. So
if the dog likes treats, they're easy to train, right?
Yeah. Yep.
You can reward them for positive behavior, and she's again just a sweetheart of a dog, very friendly. As soon as I came up to her, she rolled on her back and wanted a belly rub. And nice soft fur, 2-year-old dog, so still some puppy left in her. And obviously a dog like this at this age is going to need some exercise every day.
Yep. So it'd be good for her to go on some daily runs or walks or anything like that. So, but like I said, once she's done her little bout of energy, she loves to cuddle. So.
What a nice puppy dog. We've had a number of these terriers on the show, and have all been very nice dogs, and this is another in a long line of those. We've got a kitty cat to show you today as well as we look at the last chance for great pets. This is Landon.
Yeah, so this is Landon. He's 4 years old. He's currently at our main location, and he's just a really shy guy. He's actually been working with some of our cat volunteers to kind of work up his confidence and everything, but we're just looking for a quieter household for him so he can just settle in at his own pace. Even though he's come a long way, he still has some work and he's still pretty shy.
So this would be, I'm just going to guess here, no dogs, no cats, no kids? Or?
He actually gets along with other cats.
Okay.
Dogs we're not sure about, but if we want a quieter household, hopefully, probably he may do best with no kids, but depending on the household, he could probably do well with some kids.
Sure. What else is going on at the ARL? You always get busy this time of year.
This Friday, today, sorry, Scott Burnham is coming to do a segment with us. He's going to be at the auditorium from 5:30 to 7:30. He's a photographer, a musician, animal advocate, so he's coming to show some of his work off that he's done, some of his photographs, and he's actually selling them.
Oh, okay.
So 20% of all the profit will go to the ARL.
Okay.
So it's from 5:30 to 7:30, and it's come and go as you please. We just ask that people register online, just so we know for like food and drinks and everything like that.
And maybe some tips for people that want to get better at that, because it's not always easy taking pictures of these guys. As you can tell, as Tulip sticks her head under the chair.
And then
do some cleaning while you're under there.
And then tomorrow we have our Dog Jog Fido Fest downtown. That Run Walk 5K. And then we also tomorrow have our Merle Hay adoption event, so $50 cats and $60 dogs at Merle Hay Mall.
Okay, where can people sign up if they're interested in the run?
The registration is actually closed on the run right now.
I'm going to sneak this off for a sec. And then the Merle Hay event, what hours will you guys be there?
We'll be there all day till about 4 o'clock, I think.
Okay.
Yep.
And that's at Merle Hay Mall. So we have Tulip the dog here, who got a little tangled up in the cords, but she is an American Staffordshire Terrier, a pit bull, and a sweetheart of a dog, 2 years old?
Correct, yep.
And really nice dog, really a people dog, and with the food motivation here, very, very trainable. And you'll be out there, you guys open up today at 11 o'clock, correct?
Yep, and she'll be out there.
Okay, and then we have also a number of other animals, and if you want to find out about them, maybe looking to give a dog or a cat or another animal a permanent home, ARL-Iowa.org is the place to go. We're going to leave you today with our kitty cat, and thank Trista for being here. We'll have a look